Have you just filed your tax return? What were the results? Did you have a refund? Did you owe? Did you break even? If you want to make changes and you want to impact what happens next year, let's look through some of these and talk through them. So if you had a large balance due, you owed the IRS, what can you do? What can you change? One is you save more. Maybe it's through a 401k with your employer or an IRA, or if you're self-employed, maybe even a SEP. All of these reduce your taxable income, reduce your earnings, and ultimately reduce what you're taxed on. Maybe you give more. Maybe it's cash, maybe it's stock, maybe it's clothing or furniture to like the Salvation Army or Goodwill. All of these are increased deductions, reducing your taxable income. Maybe even, here's another one, maybe even contradictory, is you earn less. Maybe if you're employed, you time when you recognize certain income, or if you're an investor, you time when you sell something or match it with losses so you don't have gains. That's another way of changing your tax situation. Also, knowing what's going on, understanding your tax bracket, understanding what income is taxed and what is maybe treated at different rates. That's helpful. Making changes where needed too. Maybe it's as simple as changing your W-4, changing the number of allowances so more is withheld, so that you are having a little more taken from each paycheck, paid towards the taxes throughout the year. That'll reduce your bottom line. It's also understanding the situation, because if you can make estimated tax payments throughout the year, that will be easier than one large check. The middle situation, kind of the sweet spot, is a break even. I don't have a large refund and I don't have a large balance due. That's really the perfect spot, is getting to where you don't have a check to write and you're not expecting a large one either. The other side of that is a refund. The thought here is it a large refund? Is it too big of a refund? Some questions to ask yourself are, can I save outside of this? If I can't, maybe expecting that large refund is a good thing. If not, if you can save, then think of this as a free loan to the government, and it's held captive until you eventually file your return. So that's not a good thing. And some ways to change that are, first, know your situation again, just like on the other side. Where's my income coming from? What are my deductions? Where do I fall as far as the tax brackets? Can I change that? And one real simple change, if this is an ongoing thing, is changing your W-4. Change the number of allowances so that less is withheld, so more is in your pocket throughout the year, not in the government's. If your situation won't change, look at what happened and understand it so that you can be better prepared in the future. So for this year, what do you do with your refund? Put it to work. Make sure that you have an emergency fund, somewhere where you can go to access cash should something happen, something unexpected. Maybe the other option is pay down debt. Look at what you have. Are there student loans, credit cards, a mortgage? Look at the ones that can be easily paid off, or look at the ones with the highest interest rate. Where would your dollars go the furthest? And the last one here is fund some type of retirement. Look towards the future. Make sure you have money set aside. Having this refund may be a great place to apply that. So as you can see, everybody's situation is different, and it could change for you year from year. So if there's something specific that we can help you think through and change now to impact next year, please let us know. We're happy to help you.